This is Sean with Gate City Foundation Drainage. We're on a job today in Winston-Salem. So what we're doing today is a little bit different. We are cleaning up some brush. So this is the second job I've had this wood chipper on. Got the big dump truck here, got the mini skid. So let's take a look. We've got access problems here. So anytime you're building a fence or a gate, always make sure you put a huge gate in it so that you can drive to the backyard. So today we are cleaning up all this. I guess this tree fell about a year ago, and the homeowners had a terrible time getting anybody in here to try to get it cleaned up. So that's what we're working on today. There was a little bit of high grass in this backyard as well, and so I brought over the brush hog with the mini skid. The homeowner wanted this whole area cleaned up a little bit, and so that worked out pretty well, getting that brush hog down for her. That also helped us with getting in and out with access and being able to see any logs that were in the grass. We have made a little bit of progress out here. So I've been using the mini skid there to just pile up some of the brush. And unfortunately, you can't drive to the backyard because we've got this nice landscaped bed here. So make sure you don't ever completely block off your driveway from your backyard. We're blocked off with the fence, and we're blocked off with the bed here. we are getting into the main part of the trunk here. So this is a big one. And whoever cut this down didn't quite cut it all the way through. So I've got it somewhat lifted up with the Mini. It's about all it could do. And I'm going to see if I can cut it with this little saw here. Let's see if we can cut this one. That is definitely an awesome little machine right there. I wanted to show you really quickly here. This is a hoverfly, and it is a Wasp Mimic. So let me see if I can get it to where you guys can see it without letting it go. Alright, there it is right there. So hopefully you can see that. That's a hoverfly, it's a Wasp Mimic. So look at that guy. That's a cool fly right there. He sounds like a wasp as well. Oh, there he goes. We are finished with this job, so let's take a look. So we got those huge trunks out of here. I got some brush hogging done, and there's a little eastern box turtle right there. He's a young one. But anyway, this is the tree that I guess it was leaning over the house, so she had it cut down, and then the guy ghosted her and wouldn't come and clean it up. So we got some brush hogging done. It's not perfectly clean because what ended up happening is we ended up hauling a little bit extra for her, and so we figured we'd take some big stuff and leave the twigs, but the trucks are pretty much loaded down. But we are going to be back here. She wants this all graded out and some gravel brought in for a fire pit. She wants these stumps ground. She wants all this old firewood from the previous owner hauled away. It's just rotting in place. So we will be back here to revisit this job. There's another pile of old firewood. What do you think?
Alright, we'll get another scoop.
Look at that, all that wood in there, and we're not even squatting down on it all here. I swear you can put one load of wet dirt in there and that truck is just like... So we're all strapped down, cleaning up our mess, ready to get out of here. The local yard waste place wants, I think it was $40 a ton for yard waste, which this classifies as yard waste. And so I posted up on my Facebook that I had some free logs, found a guy through a mutual friend, and was able to get these logs delivered. He's going to cut them up and use them as firewood. So pretty good score for him and for me, because I can just deliver them and dump them and don't have to pay to dispose of them.